Man, I really need something to eat. Oh boy, Mr. Beast Feastables. Wow, look at this. I sure want to go fix my car now. Oh, I was supposed to say that after I took a bite? Oh. Wow, look at this. I still want to go fix my car.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back. Today, we are doing something different. I have a broken bumper and it's been falling off for the past few years. So I'm going to be trying to take it off and put it on these things. They're like little bolts. I'm going to be trying to put these on and seeing how it goes. So let's get into it. First, I got to get rid of this duct tape. As you can see, it's been there for a long time. Had to ruin a paint job. All right, I think that's all of that. I also want to see if the airbag is fixed. Okay. I'm going to take off the tape on this side too. All right, testing to see if the airbag light goes off, and it does not. Some kind of sensor is being thrown off because I put tape all around it. And I'm guessing it's going to be this tape that's causing the issue. Let me turn the way a little bit too. Can't hear me. So I can say everything I want in here. Ha 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 ha. I don't know. I don't know how to take this off. Ah, there we go.
Miss.
Might have broke that. Oh, there we go. I guess I could use this. Yeah, I could do this right here. Okay. All right. So the guy said to do it like something like this, put a piece of tape, and then mark it. Let's do like there and there. The 1/4 inch. Is that quarter? No, that's 8. 11. 5/4. Nope, you guys get some close, but you can hear it. 2,000 squared. What the freak? Where's the 1/4 inch? God dang it. It's 3, 5, 6. Aha, here it is. Okay, so let me see if I can reach that first. Yeah, I can reach right there. Okay, righty tighty. Bruh. Oh, that was fast.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah. That looks terrible. That's a terrible cut, but whatever. Should be fine. Some of this anti-rust spray. There you go.
Hey, yo!
I don't know what size this is. Okay, yeah, that should work. This and this. There's some spider webs in here. This goes in. There we go. Okay, now I need to put that there. There we go. And just tighten this. Okay, that's not gonna work. Yeah, okay, that's gonna work. Nice. I don't know how tight I should make this. Yeah, okay. That's pretty tight. Yeah, bumper is basically hanging on by a thread. So what I want is probably I probably want it to be like pretty tight. So like down here somewhere, huh? I also need to make it a little bit tighter because there's a gap here. So that should fill in once I attach this. Down here, but a little bit further. Like there.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Shut up, Patrick! Shut the fuck up!
No. I'm not sure how I feel about how easy that is to drill through. Oh wait, forgot about the tape. Put that over there. And this works. Bumper or string. There we go. I might twist it. Yeah, I'll twist it. Hello. What do you think? I think so. This padded in piece of plastic came falling down.
Did you see it? On the left side of the door frame, barely visible on camera, a white translucent mystery shape slowly creeps up.
No, this should be fun. Should be fine. All right, we're back. I gotta do the other side. I've turned my car around. Oh. Thank you, person with the light. Yeah, I probably will. Okay, put one right here. Yeah, okay. The tape is kind of just there. It's not important. Let me just move it up a little bit too. Here. Here. The front bumper is just holding on by a literal thread right now. Yeah. Gotta be like really far down on this one. Make sure it's super tight.
Hey, yo!
Okay, so there, but like, let's do like extra far, like there. Hopefully I can reach it that far. This thing is literally just floating. And oh, I didn't. Plus. And this is hard. Righty, tighty. Which way does a clock go? Where's the band go now? Oh, it's still away. Okay. It might be far, but it'll hold if I can get it. There we go. And go nowhere. Don't have to.
And I fixed the my airbag sensor being on. So essentially it's like you just have to set this from lock over here to on for 3, and then that comes on, the airbag sensor. Then when it comes on and it turns off, set the car to 0 and then back to on. You don't have to turn it on like full on gas, just like set the power on, and then it turns off. Turn it off for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On. Wait for it to go away. And then back off.
What have I got?
And then start the car. They said do this about 3 or 4 times, but eventually the airbag will go off. So it's, I don't know what happened. I think I was blocking it with my duct tape or something earlier, but yeah, it's off now. So awesome. And now we're good to go. Thanks, Mr. Beast.
And that was me trying to fix the bumper on my car. I'd say it went pretty well. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. And check out my Etsy shop, Jaakeup Productions, where I sell cool little 3D printed things that you might be interested in. Check it out. Other than that, hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. And I will see you next time doing whatever the freak I'm doing next. Peace.